Hi everyone, Nerdy Hillbilly here, and I'm in Wellsville, New York once again at the Just One More Bar and Grill. Let's see what we got for dinner tonight. Here I'm trying out my starter. It's chili cheese fries. Ooh, wee. Ooh.
I'm gonna do all my food concoction, food whatever video.
Wow, that was delicious. The chili and the beans and the cheese really complement each other. And the fries are amazing. I'll give this an 8.5 out of 10. Here we got the Kane Burger. Oh. The Kane Burger. I give that a 10 out of 10. Hey, if y'all like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you want to see any new Nerdy Hillbilly videos. And I will see y'all later. Bye! And don't forget to get your Nerdy Hillbilly merch at Chaos and Class Designs.